everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to cover today are unit prices with customary unit conversions, persons calculate tax tip markup and more, unit prices which is the better by, unit prices with fractions and decimals. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is unit prices with customary unit conversions. Which is the better by? 100 104, that is the answer, but prayer is the other option. Let's just start with the test questions because here you are not given with the options. Okay, a three quart carton of ice cream cost 22.08. What is the price per cup? Now let's just look at the units first, right? Then we'll do conversion and then solve. Here you are given 3 quarts. Carton of ice cream cost 22.08. What is the price per cup? But the question is the price per cup. So the first thing is you have to convert from quarts to cup. So 1 quart equal 4 cups. You can note down these basic units. So 1 quart equal 4 cups. You are given 3 quarts here. So then 3 quart here is 3 quarts is 3 times 4, that equals 12 cups, right? So that means in 22.08 is the cost of 12 cups divided by the 12 to calculate the price of the 1 cup. So 22.08 divided by 12 is $1.84. That means the cost of 1 cup is $1.84. The correct option is $1.84. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better buy? That is 3 yard of wrapping paper for $11.97 and 8-foot roll of paper for $12.96. So that is in yards and that is in foot. First convert them into the same unit and then do calculations, right? So 1 foot equal how many yards? 1 yard equal 3 feet, right? So 1 yard equal 3 feet. We convert this 3 yard 3 times 3. 3 times 3 makes 9 feet. So 11.97 divided by 9 is 11 point, that is 1.33. So the cost of this is 1.33. Now 8 foot you have, that is already in feet, right? To 12.96 divided by 8, that is 1.62. So which is a better buy? The one that has the lower price is the better buy. So the correct option is, this is 9 foots in 1.33 and this is 8 foots in 1.62. So that option number one is the correct option. That is 3 yard roll of wrapping paper for 11.97. A 2-gallon bottle of bleach costs $9.68. What is the price per quart? So here you are given 2 gallons, right? And you need to calculate the price to quarts. First, you have to see in 1 gallon how many quarts do we have. 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. So that is 2 gallons. So 2 times 4 is 8 quarts. So divide 9.68 by 8. So the correct option is, that is 1.21. That is 1.21. Option number 2 is the correct option. A 2 gallon bottle of fabric softener costs $16.96. What is the price per cup? You have to again calculate the price. 1 gallons, 2 cup, you have to convert, right? So 1 gallon equal how many cups? 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? So then 2 gallons equal 2 times 16, that is 32 cups. So divide 16.96 by 32. So that is 16.96 divided by 32. That is 0.53. So that means the price per cup of the fabric softener is 0.53. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is percents, calculate tax, tip, markup and more. Jackie buys a microwave priced at $96. If the sales tax is 10%, how much tax will Jackie pay? The price of the microwave is $96, right? So the tax is 10%. How much tax he have to pay on $96 microwave? You have to calculate that 10% of 96, right? That is 96 times 10 over 100. So 10% of 96 is 9.6. So that means the tax he have to pay is $99.6. Let's just start with the test questions. Nicole's bill for brunch at a restaurant is $64. She left a 15% tip. What was the total cost of her brunch, including tip? Okay, so the cost of brunch is $64 and the tip is 15% of 64. So just calculate the 15% of 64, right? So 64 times 15 is 960. That is 9.6. So $99.6 is the tip and the bill is 64. So 64 plus 9.6 is, that is 73.60. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 73.60. Option number 1 is the correct option. Ben bought a blender online. It cost $26 plus 25% shipping and handling. What was the total cost? You have to calculate 25% of 26, right? Because you need to calculate shipping and handling. So 26 times 25 over 100. So that is 26 times 25, that is 6.5. So that means that tax is the shipping and handling is 6.5. So just add 26 plus 6.5 is 32.50. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 32.50. Option number 2 is the correct option. Luke's bill for dinner at a restaurant was $64. He left an 18% tip. What was the total cost of dinner including tip? So 18% tip. So calculate 18% of 64. So 64 times 18 over 100 is 11.52. That is 11.52. So just add 64 is the dinner price of dinner and the tip is 11.52. So that is 75.52. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 75.52. Jennifer buys a swimsuit priced at $21. If the sales tax is 10%, what will be the cost? Total cost including tax. $21 and 10% cost is 2.1. That is 23.1. Option number 1 is the correct option. buys a guitar priced at $72. Shipping and handling are an additional 20% of the price. How much shipping and handling Broke pay? So calculate the 20% of the cost. So 72 times 20 over 100, that is $14.4. The correct option is $14.4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is $14.4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices, which is the better buy. A 9-meter roll of string cost $3.24. What is the unit price? 3.24 is the cost of 9-meter roll. You have to calculate the price per unit. That means you need to calculate the price of 1 meter roll. So you have to divide 3.24 by 9. So 3.24 divided by 9 is $0.36. So that means the unit price is 0.36 per meters. Let's just start with the test questions. A 6 pack of magnets costs $3.36. What is the unit price? So you need to calculate the unit price. So you have to divide $3.36 by 6. That is 3.36 divided by 6. So 3.36 divided by 6 is $0.56. That is $0.56. Option number 1 is the correct option. A 4 kilogram bag of flour costs $7.36. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? Basically, you need to calculate the price of 1 kilogram, right? So the $7.36 is the price of 4 kilogram. When you divide it by the 4, you will get the price of 1 kilogram. So 7.36 divided by 4 is, That is option number one, $1.84 is the correct option. A two pack of ice cream bars cost $0.66. What is the unit price? The correct option is 0.33. The cost of the one pack of ice cream is 0.33. A four pack of dish towels cost $6.84. What is the unit price? That is, you have to calculate the price of one pack, so you have to do 6.84 divided by 6. So the correct option is 4, sorry, not 6. That is $1.71. The correct option is option number 1. That is $1.71. A 9-meter roll of string costs $3.24. What is the price per unit? 3.24 divided by 9 equals, that is $0.36. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices with fractions and decimals. Let's just start with the test questions. Tisha purchased 3/10 of kilogram of felt scrap. What was the total cost? So the cost of felt scrap is 5 per kg, right? But she bought 3/10 of the kilogram, so 5 times 3 over 10. That is 15 over 10, so that is 1.50. That is 1.50. Option number 3 is the correct option. Kate wants to buy 7 by 10 of a kilograms of sunflower seed butter. How much will she spend? Which is the correct option? So you 7 by 10th of kilogram of sunflower, right? So the sunflower and seed butter is 3 per kg. That is 3 times 7 over 10. So which is the correct option? 21 over 10 equals. That is 2.1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Mary bought 3/5 of a pound of green tea. Pound of a green tea. How much did she spend? So the green tea is £4 per kg. $4 per pound. So that is 4 times 3 over 5. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 over 5 equals. That is 2.40. So 2.4. So option number 3 is the correct option. The correct option is 2.40. Option number 3 is the correct option. Zoe wants to buy 4 whole 3 by 4 pounds of turkey. How much will she spend? So, which is the correct option? 4 times 4 is 16 and 3 19 by 4 it is, right? So the turkey is 4 pounds 19 by 4 times 4. So that is 4 and 4 cancel out and the correct option is $90. That is $19. Option number 1 is the correct option. Angie buys 2.4 kilograms of Alfredo sauce. How much does she spend? 2.4 kilogram, right? Of Alfredo sauce. So 3 times 2.4 equals 7.20 kilograms. The correct option is 7.20. That is 7.20. Okay, okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we are working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are unit prices with customer unit conversions, persons, calculate tax tip, markup, and more. Unit prices, which is the better by unit prices with fractions and decimals. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all of your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions for which you need help. Any questions you can please ask if you have any.